This is part of our preparation for what we're doing in this floor. In order to drop the floor down like we have and move everything back and forwards and change a lot, we have to reconfigure this door jamb. And our first roll on this door jamb, we made this panel to cover up everything for the convertible top. And we cut this back in here, but it still is in the way of our seat. So we're keeping in mind to ourselves, we're building this for large people such as someone like me to fit in an old Corvette. So this has all got to come out of here. It's just too much. So we're going to run this thing down and cut it out. Probably just start all over from scratch because it's going to be quicker. So that idea didn't work. Sometimes ideas don't work, so you go back to the drawing board. Regroup, shake your head, and move forward. So right now, instead of coming on the outside of this panel, I'm going to come on the back side. So right in here is a metal reinforcement, and then you have a panel coming down, the outside panel, and the bonding material. We're going to get between these two panels and grind out this bonding material so we can access and build our panel to go in there. And my intentions is to bond this panel in and still have access to put the convertible top in. Because with 12, 13-inch tubs in the back and a 300-pound guy in the front, if it starts to rain, you still want a convertible top to go up and down. And that's our whole objective here. There's the outer panel, inner bonding material, inner panel, and a steel reinforcement that's in here. We're going between the two inner and outer panels and taking that bonding material out. We're going to design our new panel to go inside of there. If you turn your camera around there, you can see where I've already cut it out. This is showing the inner and the outer panel where we've gone in there, and we want to get in there good 3/4 to an inch. So our new panel is going to slide in the back there and it's going to come out. You'll see that as we go. That's how much you want to cut it out, a good 3/4 of an inch. Go in there with a double grinding, 5-inch grinder, double-sided, and then use a smaller grinder to get in there and finish it up. 5-inch grinder set up double-sided, front and back. Little point of a grinder, and then a 3-inch Rolodex, so we cut the center out and put on a grinder so you can back grind. It's good to have a lot of variations of grinders in doing this work. Thanks for watching.